Yes, this is me without makeup. And you know what? I'm happy either way. This video will be a little different. I'm not gonna narrate what I'm doing. Maybe you'll understand by the visuals anyways. Today I want to transmit my perspective about makeup. Oh, makeup. What can I say? I love my life? Okay, no. But it'll be always in my heart. I remember that I started using it when I was at high school. I used to do my little eyeliner so subtle, but the superiors always noticed it. I don't know how, but they always were bothering me, and I was like, ugh, I just want to do with my body what I want. Ordinary humans with their ordinary rules. Damn, I hated school. I used makeup anyways because I love how pretty it made me feel. In a certain way, the more they forbade to me, the more I decided to use it, and that was wrong. I started to think that I wasn't able to live, not exactly without makeup, but without cat eyeliner. I know, it sounds hilarious, but it was real. Until I lost my eyeliner and one day I decided not to use it. And you know what? I was pretty. I looked pretty without makeup. I had a great date and no one said a shit. So I decided to take more care to myself. The day I decided to love and accept myself was when I knew that makeup was my best friend, but not essential in my everyday. And that's something I like to everyone to know. You can be so glam and shine with makeup, but at the same time without it. Because at the end of the day, you wear makeup, and obviously makeup doesn't wear you. You're the man, the boss, you live how you want whoever sees you, if that makes sense. But what I mean is that with or without it, you decide to be happy and life brings you problems anyways. I love makeup because even when it doesn't have power to solve the real things what's behind everything, it brings me power to express myself because when I'm sad, I don't wear makeup and that's fun. I can see the idealized me and I even feel I don't need surgery and stuff. Hilarious, I know. It's impossible to look bad with the right makeup that you want to create for that day with the mood you have. It's fun. Makeup is something where you can even canalize stress or anxiety. Really helps a lot. It's like music, you know? I love it probably because it's art. The power of makeup and for have a good time looking how a person become another with makeup, trying to hide themselves. It's not hiding. Hey, it's me, I'm not hiding. I call it me because how I said with or without it, it is me. Maybe many humans have seen me with makeup most of the time. This is for you and whoever. makeup can be used 24 hours. It's unhealthy for ourselves. Use makeup every day if you want, but you need to read what you are wearing, and I truly recommend culture-free makeup. Use sunscreen, moisturizer, primer, or something to protect your face. Remove your makeup and use moisturizer. Don't forget to exfoliate your face and use masks to a correct skincare. In other words, you need to be responsible and conscious. I know makeup has no great reason by its creation behind, but whatever has happened, it's past. 2018 is full of makeup made for skincare, cruelty-free, healthy stuff because many people is conscious. So don't say makeup is extremely dangerous for skin. Getting ready can be considered as brushing your teeth, brush your hair, using soap or shampoo, etc. Makeup is something more that we use to look presentable. And I really enjoy while doing it, and if you add a little bit more fun, it could be called as artistic makeup, huh? Really hope someday I can make a difference into this world and share things with all human who likes this kind of expressions. I'd be so happy of solve your doubts if you have. Thank you, and I feel this stuff human call love for you. So if you're going to use makeup today, maybe you can guide yourself in my video. But seriously, it have to be with some conditions. Accept yourself, love yourself, take care of yourself, and have fun. Remember, everything in excess is harmful. And yeah, this was everything I had to say and show. Thank you for being here, and I really hope you enjoyed my video. I made it for you all with so much love. See you the next time, subscribe only if you want, keep on shining, and always be a good human. Bye.